With the rising pressure of tuition fees, new technologies, ideologies, and free online courses have gradually emerged and grown. People have discussed and arranged changes in physical classrooms, and the flipped classroom is the center of people's discussion. The online teaching method has obtained good results in the research in the past few years, and the flipped classroom is a combination of online learning and active learning. Flipped classroom is not like flipping the classroom inside out literally. It is actually a new way of classroom teaching. Reverse the traditional classroom teaching sequence. In the past, students learned knowledge at school and went home to do homework to further consolidate and practice what they learned in the school. In the flipped classroom teaching model, students learn lectures online at home by themselves, and teachers will train them on homework and quizzes at school to answer their questions for them. Sounds cool, right? And in reality, we already have some good examples for flipped classrooms. In fact, this kind of classroom method can really bring a lot of benefits. For students, online courses allow them to watch over and over again until they understand. When students enter the classroom, they are ready to contribute, which makes the classroom more efficient. Class time can be used for group cooperation and projects. Students who study well can help other students, which is good for both parties. For teachers, wealthy classroom time can be used to interact with every student who needs help and let the teacher more fully integrated with the classroom. The flipped classroom helps teachers who are not good at presenting, and the videos that can be played repeatedly also eliminates the problem that teacher needs to repeat again and again, so as to better help students in the classroom. Of course, the implementation of flipped classroom also suffered from some difficulties. Some students expressed that they prefer to be taught by face-to-face. In the flipped classroom experiment implemented at UCI, some freshmen were unable to adapt because they had just graduated from high school and they were still immersed in the way that they used to learning in the past. There was a problem of technical failure, and the researcher said the students' self-disciplines affect the success of the flipped classroom in a great extent. For example, the subject who benefits the most from the flipped classroom experiment are sophomore female students. They get benefit more than men, while sophomore students benefit more than freshman students. Mainly because sophomore female students have stronger self-discipline and study skills. Even if quizzes can be used to force students to study, this will be different from the quality of learning brought by the spontaneous learning.